We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, auction video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another one, man. Insurance auto auction walk around, man. Special thanks to the insurance auto auction. Appreciate y'all, and you already know I appreciate the Hustle Nation. Y'all already know. If y'all haven't already, man, make sure y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell so y'all can be updated every time your boy upload a video, man. All you do is click the little bell right next to the subscribe button and hit notifications on all. I'm uploading every single day, man, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram as well at wehustledaily.co. Y'all can hit me up on Instagram, and most importantly, man, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to pick out good cars at the auction. I don't want y'all coming to an auction and messing up y'all money, you know what I'm saying? You got a lot of cars out here. Well, no, they don't got a lot of cars out here, but you can easily mess up your money. They don't got a lot of cars out here today to check out, honestly, as a matter of fact, because this is a small run, like 100 and some cars. But I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out good cars at the auction, man, especially at places like Insurance Auto Auction. Don't mess around. Don't mess around, you're gonna mess up, for real, you know what I'm saying? You can easily be on the side of the road. I see it all the time. But let's go ahead and get right into it, man. First up, now they don't like you start the cars at this one, you know what I mean? So, hey, we gotta do what we can do, man. So, and then it's only an hour in here, so we gotta make it quick. So I'm gonna show y'all this Mazda right here. It got some nice little wheels on it. XXRs. Let's see, 221,000 miles. What year is it? 2005. Did I say 200,000 miles or did I say 100? 121, that's what it is, my bad. Y'all see it though. Mazda RX-8. These some pretty little cool cars right here. I think so. Leather, stick shift, nice little seats and all of that. It's pretty cool. Let's look at the motor. Oh man, there we go. See what we got here, y'all. Okay, what's going on here? Is that the motor back there? That motor's all the way in the back. Got a lot of room right here. Got the battery right here in front. I've never really looked in under one of these before to really know what they look like. But I guess this is how they look like, yo. Is it turboed or something? Is it intercooler or what? I got something going on this one. Not sure really what though. But what y'all think about the Mazda? Y'all like the Mazda or what? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Let's look at this one right here. This is a Mercedes Benz. 232,000 miles on it. Oh, what they got going on with the, so that's definitely busted and disgusted. It say AMG, so it might be the AMG, y'all. CL500. Shifter won't go on parking. Go in park, I guess that's what they mean. It won't go in park. Y'all see it though. It don't even look like some crank up anyway. Back seats and stuff for y'all. We don't want to mess with no Benz. If I bought a Benz, I definitely got to drive them Benzes, yo. They got this Toyota Rave right here. This is it only got 200,000 miles on it. Y'all know they be paying big money for these. 206,000 miles, and it's a 2006 Toyota Rave. Look at the little Echo right there. We gotta look at the Echo. Got some type of wheels on here. Ain't these the Suzuki wheels? Ain't that the Suzuki sign? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Damn, look at that. So it's Toyota Rave 4, Rave 4, however you pronounce it. Oh, your boy slipping on the goddamn rocks, boy. Ooh. Y'all see it though. Interior looking all right. Because it has power. Ain't got no power no way. Hold on. Come on, man. No, I don't got no power no way. Let's keep moving, y'all. Check out the Ford Toyota Echo. I said Ford, my bad. I'm twipping. Got them black and milds for you. I don't know what they had going on in this joint. Why the doorknobs all like that? This one's kind of like that too. They just dangling. Y'all see, there was some smokers for sure. I don't be seeing a lot of these Echoes on the road. I don't be seeing really no Echo on the road. But when they be in the auction, they be paying for them. Gotta watch out. They be paying for them. What y'all think about the Ford Echo? Let's keep it moving though. See if we can find something else. Y'all probably would like to look at this Mercedes right here. What year is it? Got 160 on the miles, 2008. Got the big boy Benz. Haven't had a Mercedes truck before. This one kind of clean. I kind of like the dividers, and then I kind of don't. This one is clean. Are we third row? And we're third row with the second sunroof. So that's pretty cool. Benz GL450. Oh, this is the big boy, ain't it? Got a nice little steering wheel cover on there, don't they? Match the interior. Hey, you don't see it all the time when you go in the cars and it actually be like matching the damn interior. I be seeing the colors kind of off. This is pretty close if you ask me. It probably ain't got no power though. Anyway. Nope. It sure don't. And I'll tell y'all something else. That Tesla, man, I looked at that Tesla like months ago before everything done happened and everything. Like, it's been a minute and that Tesla is still right there. I don't know what's going on with that Tesla. That Tesla been there for a long time. But let's see what else we got. All right, let's look at the Kia Spectra, 149,000 miles, 2009 Kia Spectra. Interior doesn't look that bad. Doesn't smell bad in here either, which is a plus. Okay, we want to look at that too. And there go another Benz. Kia Spectra EX. Then they got the X5 right here. I like it when they have all the cars that I want to look at right next to each other. Saves me some time from fucking walking. 149,000 miles on this one. Seats look alright. And they do got power. They ain't trying to get put out. This is a oh, this is an Infinity. What I call this? Oh, okay, I call that the Benz. Infinity X35. It's like a car truck crossover type. Oops. Looks clean. I like this one. All right, up next, they got the keys in the office for this one. No, this one gotta be nice, right? 116,000 miles, 2011. What is this? You gotta look in the back. Come on with these spider webs, man. I'm always getting caught in the spider webs. What that say? Blue efficiency. What that blue efficiency mean? I don't know nothing like about the Benz like that. Got some TVs in the headrests. Are we third row back there or what? Yeah. Got the little racks, BMW racks on here. Blue Tech R350. So it's kind of like a crossover too. Way bigger crossover than that Xfinity though. Infinity. Yeah, definitely is. Oops. Let's see. This one nice. Interior. Got a lot of Benzes and stuff out here today, huh? Got your big boy Toyota Tundra for y'all. And these walls, this wall's getting on my nerves. Man, fuck out of here. I missed them. Big boy Toyota. These go for some good money. I don't even look at these. Look at the BMW on them wheels now. I feel like I'm running through all type of spider webs. Check out the BMW on the motherfucking wheels. Y'all like them? Are they chopping or what? They look good on the BMW. They got some good tires on them. Y'all think, damn, what's wrong with the windows? On none of the windows work. I thought it was just gonna be one window. Shit, on none of these boys roll up. Definitely don't want this. Damn, is it smoking? Yo, y'all see that? Some old fire in this motherfucker, ain't it? Hold up. Hold up. Some on fire in this bitch? I can't see. Yo, something's on fire in this motherfucker, bro. Y'all see that? Where the fuck is it coming from, though? Yo, y'all see that smoke? Where the fuck is the smoke coming from, bro? That's crazy. Let me close this door. I don't know why this shit smoking. Y'all see it? Damn, car smoked by his goddamn self, don't it? I'm trying to open the door to see what's going on. Fuck. I don't want to fuck up their plastic. Hopefully that joint stops smoking, yo. Let's see if we can go in the back. It's like the seat is smoking. Y'all see it? It's still smoking. That's weird. I might have to tell them about that. That shit is literally just still smoking too. That's crazy. Y'all see that, don't y'all? I know y'all see that shit in the camera. Y'all see it. Hold up. Yeah, y'all see it. Just making sure y'all can see it. That's crazy. I don't know. We're gonna have to keep an eye on this one. Like, hey, y'all got a car smoking back there by itself. I got my evidence. I ain't touch it. But anyway, let's see if we got something else to look at in here, man. I only got 100 and some cars today. And I think that was really pretty much it. I'm gonna walk up there and be like, hey, that BMW on fire or something. 159 on the miles on this Toyota right here. Rave 4. This is the 2-door though. Nice good back tire on there. Got the little battery thing. Can hardly get in this joint. Oh man, I'm walking all through type of spider webs. I ain't gonna be able to get in on this side. I'm a little dude, but I can't fit in there on that side. What's going on with this door? Oh, look at it. Do you have power at least? Probably not. Hold up. Let's set this down. See if we got some power, man. At least want to see if we got some power, please. Nope. Y'all see it. We ain't got no power. Hope the vest wasn't in y'all way. See what else we got. We got a wrecked Camry. Oh, we got spider webs we about to run into. Yep, I think that's it. Yeah. I just walked through the line for y'all so y'all can pretty much see. You got your Jeep. Oh, okay. This one. This Jeep right here. Got 2 Jeeps. I know this one gonna go for some money. What's going on in here? Is this for this car? I don't know. Four-seater could, so the 4 people can fit in this thing. Let's check you out. 159,000 miles on it. This one's clean. I think they got a lot of money on this truck already, as a matter of fact, though. It's like damn near $1,800 or something already. But it's clean, though. I've had a couple of these, but maybe like 2 or 3, maybe 3. I know definitely I had 2. But they got 151 on this one, so that may be the reason. That's pretty good. I might look into this one here. Actually, let me make sure ain't no body damage on the side or anything. Yeah. Well, they already at 18, so that's damn near like 20 something out the door. 22. I mean, I think definitely you can get 28. I've definitely sold this for 28 before. I forgot what I sold my first one for, but I write everything down on what I sold my shit for. So look at this. What is that supposed to be? Hold on, let me move. Y'all see it? But anyway. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like this one, but I gotta see what they talking about, man. Anything else? I think that was it. And they got your Audi right here. And all that stuff. Probably don't run on that side, so we're not gonna waste our time. We'll check these out. Got your Audi. I ain't no fan on no Audi. This a Q5. Ain't your Audi fan. They straight though. They straight. What happened to y'all Tundra, man? Total Tundra up. That Pontiac is mechanical. Yeah, there's nothing over there. Show y'all what happened to this Tundra. I'm going to get up out of here. I might mess with that Jeep. Ooh, that damn Tundra got smacked. Ooh wee. But all right, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I don't know. I like the Jeep though. I do like the Jeep. But we gonna see, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure y'all like, comment, y'all subscribe, y'all hit that notification bell to join the Hustle Nation. Greatly appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Hustle Nation, at wehustledaily.co, so y'all can see what your boy be doing in between buying and selling these whips, man. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars. Y'all want to learn how to pick out cars. Y'all want to learn how to do everything I do. Couldn't do much today because this one they don't really be letting you start the car. But like I say, it's gonna be a wrap. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out them whips, man. I'm gonna show y'all every single time. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Shout out to the insurance auto auction. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.